This week's preset of the week is number 265, New Planets. Let's go over to Axe Edit and get some of the techie stuff out of the way. This preset is slightly different on all three units. On the Axe FX3, you can see it has two pitch blocks. The FM9 version only has one pitch block, as does the FM3 version. Well, that's because both the FM3 and the FM9 can only have one pitch block. Looking again at the FM9 preset, it has the enhance block. The FM3 version does not have the enhance block, but it has the flange block. The Axe FX3 has 4 scenes. The FM9 has 4 scenes, but they're named differently. The FM3 only has 3 scenes and they're named differently as well. The first thing I did was take a look at the FM9 version to see if there was anything that would stop me from moving it over to the FM3. There wasn't, so I moved it to the FM3, and it works with no issues. Now, it does have higher CPU usage. Like you can see up here, it's like 74 or so. FM9 is 50, but other than that, this FM3 version works just exactly the same as the FM9 version. So this is yet another time where I wonder why the Fractal devs did that, when there was no obvious reason for rewriting this preset on the FM3. At any rate, we'll use the FM9 version for this video. This preset uses 11 blocks. Now, besides the in and out blocks, you've got the comp block, drive block, amp, cab, pitch, enhance, reverb, chorus, and compressor. It has 4 scenes: FM, EXO, heavy, and diatonic harmonic. And as you can see, the pitch block here is set on its own parallel path. All right, well, let's take her out for a test drive. Now, you may have noticed the note at the bottom of the preset, I think it was in scene 8, where it says set key in perf-pp. Without going into too much detail, the modelers have 2 performance pages. One is a global page and one is a per preset. I'm going to make a video on the performance pages for the Fractal for Beginners series here real soon. Now, speaking of the Fractal for Beginners series, this Friday is part 8. We're going to be looking at the foot switches on the FM3 to see how they work. Now, you don't want to miss that, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. All right, guys, I will see you on Friday.